How to find blocked people on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Blocking. Over here, you can view all the people that you have blocked on Facebook. They can no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you or add you. This gives you more control on who you interact with. Following these steps, you can easily find blocked people on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.